Good day, man. So today we'll tackle about the agricultural applications of lipids, natural product, and synthetic organic compound. Lipids are organic compounds that significantly impact agriculture, playing a crucial role in crop performance, livestock productivity, and overall sustainability. They break down triglycerides into free fatty acids and glycerol, support energy production during seed germination, fuel energy-intensive processes, convert excess sugars into fatty acids stored in seeds as oils, and produce cholesterol and sterol synthesis. Lipids form the backbone of cell membranes, provide energy storage, regulate plant responses to environmental stresses, improve crop quality and yield, and enhance disease resistance. They also contribute to sustainability agriculture by developing biopesticides and biofertilizers and improve livestock health and productivity. Natural products produced by living organisms are a biochemical treasure that offers solutions to agricultural challenges through their chemical diversity and biological activities. They have significant applications in crop production, pest control, and soil health. Key reactions in natural products include biosynthesis, cyclization, tailoring, condensation, and degradation. They are crucial for promoting sustainable and productive agricultural practices such as pest management, soil health, plant growth, regulation, food preservation, and nutritional enhancement. Natural products are eco-friendly alternatives reducing reliance on synthetic chemicals, and play a critical role in chemistry and biology, ensuring a resilient and productive agricultural future. Synthetic organic compounds are man-made chemicals used in agriculture to enhance crop production, manage pests, and improve soil health. These compounds are formed through addition, elimination, substitution, oxidation reduction, and radical reactions. They play a crucial role in pest and disease control, fertilizer and soil health, plant growth regulation, crop yield and quality improvement, and environmental protection. Synthetic pesticides, fungicides, and herbicides control harmful organisms, while synthetic fertilizer provide essential nutrients. Synthetic compounds like auxins and glycerins influence flowering, fruiting, and stress resistance, while biodegradable synthetic compounds reduce long-term environmental impact. Understanding synthetic organic compounds allows agriculture students to innovate in pest management, crop enhancement, and sustainable farming, balancing productivity and environmental stewardship.